How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how I assembled this platform bed frame with the bamboo headboard. Now this platform bed frame came packaged really well. Everything was individually wrapped, very nice and secure. The first thing that I ended up doing was setting up the headboard part. You're just going to grab this piece here and then you're going to line up all the bamboo pieces and you're going to insert the screws on the back side. Next, you're going to move to the outside pieces. You're going to have identical pieces. They're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So what you're going to do is line those up and then insert the screws. I used a drill for mine, but there's an Allen wrench and a little ratcheting tool that you can use if you don't have a drill. The next thing we assembled was the footer. Now the footer was very similar to the headboard, except it was a much smaller scale because it only took one piece of bamboo on the bottom, but you connect the two metal pieces, connect the bamboo piece, and then you're going to move on towards the rails on the side. So the rails on the side can actually fold up together, but whenever you have them out, you're going to want them straight across. You put the screws facing inwards so that you can secure those pieces. After the rails are secured, you're going to attach them to the headboard frame. So for this one, you're going to use the washer for the first time, and then you come from the back side with the screws. You're going to lock both of those in place. Next, you're going to go with the middle frame piece. Now the middle frame piece has this foam piece that goes on top, so that means that side's going to go up. You're going to assemble it very similar to the rail pieces, and then you're going to attach it to both the headboard and the footer. Once you get all those attached, you're pretty much done. All you have to do from here is grab these pieces right here. These are metal pieces that fold kind of together. So you expand them and you'll see there's a little notch cut out on either end, only on one side. So you make sure that notch is downwards and it locks into the side of the frames. Now I started from the top going downwards, but it would be nice to go from the middle upwards and downwards because that's going to bring in the rails together so that you're not having to really work them as hard, because there's going to be a lot of play in it whenever you first put it together. But once you start locking them in place, it becomes extremely stiff, extremely comfortable, because you don't have to have a box spring for this platform bed frame. You can set your mattress directly on top. It's a low profile, so there's not a bunch of storage underneath. However, it's a very sleek, modern, simplistic design, and the bamboo wood matches the black frame. Tremendous. It's a really beautiful piece.